How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 68 Camaro SS 350 done in torch red with black stripes, all base clear, sand and wheeled smooth. Car's real slick, flat down the sides. So I really like the SS hoods with the ice cube trays in them. Just a good look. All the grille and headlight bezels, everything excellent condition. It's got a new front bumper, got chin spoiler. Car's real straight down the sides. It's got the upper trim on the doors. It's got a set of billet specialty wheels. Got the rear deck spoiler. Tail lights have all been replaced. Excellent condition. All the housings and everything. Rear bumper looks like new. Just a cool car. Now this was a 4-speed car, and it does have the big block heater core in it, so it's possible it could have been a big block 4-speed car, but it's got a 355 in it, set of Dart Iron Eagle heads on it, got power steering, power disc brakes. It's got a 350 turbo trans in it. Got a 10-bolt Linwood slip rear. Just a cool car. Jams, all real slick in the car, nice. All the interior is real nice in the car. Headliner's real nice, tight. Got a 3-spoke wood wheel in it. I've actually driven this car probably 60 miles home. Cruises right down the road, nice. Got a lot of power in it. Just a fun car. They did radio delete. It's got trio gauges under the dash with the tack there. It's got B&M performance shifter. Got headers and duals. Got nice cam and stuff in it. Nice thumpy little cam in it. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.